We are checking out the Tobago Residences, a 5-bedroom property located in Kigo, which is roughly 30 kilometers away from the Entebbe International Airport. This is a perfect homestay for a group of 6 to 12 people. This home is clean, it has got a fully stocked kitchen, it is spacious and also has greater views of Lake Victoria, the world's second largest freshwater lake. This property is strategically located along the Kampala Expressway and it is about a 15-minute drive from here to the capital city of Uganda, which is Kampala. The property is well fenced with a functional CCTV system to ensure security while at the property.
Welcome to Tobago Residence. This is a 5-bedroom villa and let me show you around. So come on in and we have this amazing stairs and also a wheelchair accessible entry to the residence. So if you're disabled, you can use that. And then this is a spacious balcony and come on in.
How it looks like. And this is supposed to be the living room. Well, I have some 2 people here. Say something, give yourself
What's up? This is a sad experience, your king of the roads.
How do you like the place?
This place is very demure, amazing, beautiful. I like it. You should book this place.
All right, next person.
Hi guys, I'm Brenda and I go on YouTube as Miss Brenda, so you can go and check me out. Yeah.
How do you like the place?
This place, first of all, what I've loved about it is the breeze.
Yeah. The
air here is so good, and because of the view, the lake view is so amazing. So check it out.
Hey, my name is Fanny and I host this beautiful space to travelers and different groups of people who are coming into Kampala or Uganda.
Okay, so why do you think someone should come to this space? What are the different things that set this space apart?
Okay, one thing is that this space is basically a home. It's a home, it's a 5-bedroom house, so it is big enough for a family. If you're a family of 5 plus, this space can accommodate up to 10 or even 12 people, depending on the arrangement you come in. So it is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and then we have this beautiful, spacious kitchen. You have to feel free, come and cook if you want to cook home meals. So we have everything in the kitchen, fully equipped. We have a microwave, we have a percolator, we have a coffee maker if you want to drink some coffee and whatsoever. So we also have a water dispenser because we believe that it's good to have clean access to water for our guests, so you don't have to be running up and down. So this is refillable. You can see this bottle is done. We can refill it for you when you come. So we have a gas cooker over here and also we have an oven here. You can come and do your baking, cooking, barbecue, whatsoever. We have enough of glasses, be it wine glasses, water glasses, everything is just right here for your convenience. And then we have plates and also mugs over here, just enough for a big family, you know. So this makes your life easier in case you want to use the kitchen. And we have lots and lots of cutleries over here, spoons, cups, knives, forks, everything here. Yes. So besides that, the kitchen has this amazing island. This is where we normally just sit here and talk, or sometimes even eat from here if you want to, whatever you want to use it for. It's just good. And then we have a massive fridge over here for you to use and a freezer. That is, I think, enough for you. Then moving out from the kitchen, we have a 6-seater dining space. This is just so comfy. You can come here and have your meals and enjoy your lunch, dinner, whatsoever. So I love that the dining area has a window. You can open it and have some fresh air coming in. Yes. So this is the living area. You can see it's massive, it's big. We have these beautiful large couches, and like I mentioned, it opens up to the balcony. You can see the wind blowing up. There's a lot of fresh air over here. It's so spacious that if you have a big family, you can just come sit here and relax. And then we have fiber internet. We have fiber internet over here that is super fast. In case you want to work, you just have to connect to the internet. And then we have a huge screen TV. You can see Kampala over here. Yes, this is a smart TV. We have Netflix. If you are a fan of movies, we have Netflix for you. And also you can browse. So let me show you other parts of the house. So working here, we have a laundry space. So please forgive the mess here. We are trying to set up this fan. So we have this is our laundry area. We have the washing machine over here. If you're staying for long, you don't have to look for where to do your laundry. You just come over here. We have the buckets over here, and then also the hanging, whatever. We also have an extra hanging line outside in case you want the clothes to dry in the sun. Yes, so here we have a little hallway, and this is a common toilet. This is a common toilet where you can use if you're using the living area or the other space. This is a toilet you can use, or if you have visitors, they can use that. And then right here is this is our first bedroom. And this bedroom, these are basically two twin beds, and they are joined together to form a queen size bed. So if like you want different separation, you can just move this bed aside, move the other one aside, and then have a twin option for your stay. But this sleeps two. And then over here we have toilet and bathroom over here for you. And then we have a shower, which is right here for you to use while you're staying here. So this is our first bedroom, and this bedroom is downstairs. So the next part of the house is, let me take you to the upstairs bedrooms. Come with me. So I forgot one thing. You can see that this has a massive wardrobe here. So it has a large storage. You can store your clothes, everything right there. It's super spacious, as you can see. So you can use this. And then we all know that Uganda is in a tropical area and we have mosquitoes, but we have a provision for mosquito nets, and then also we have mosquito repellents if you're staying over here. So come with me to the upstairs bedroom. Okay, so I mentioned that this house is a 5-bedroom house, and we've already seen the 1-bedroom downstairs. So upstairs has the 4 bedrooms, and I'll take you to the first one, which is this. We call it our twin room or the kids' room. If you have children, you can sleep here. But also if you're adults, you can actually use this. It's pretty much spacious, but I think we prefer it to be for kids. It has some extra space over here. And then also, this has a massive wardrobe and a mirror over here if you want to store your items. If you have things that are very maybe important, you can just lock them over here and then move along with the key and keep this as your safe. Yes, so come to the second bedroom upstairs. So this is the second bedroom upstairs. Sorry, Ivan came at a time where we are setting up things, so the pillows are somewhere, but there are pillows actually for this space. So this room also sleeps too, and you can see it has a lot of natural light. It has a mini balcony over there. You can just step out and leave it open and then just enjoy this space. Just like any other room, this also has a massive storage over here where you can put your stuff, you can put your suitcases and just feel yourself at home. And then this is a common bathroom. As you notice, this is the second bathroom. So this bathroom is shared between the people who are sleeping in these bedrooms. You can see bathroom and shower. It has very spacious, and yeah. So from this we move into the next bedroom. So the next bedroom is also, it also sleeps two. It sleeps two, and it has a massive wardrobe over here, you know. And we have a bed that sleeps two here, and then also it has towels, you know. We have towels for you guys so that you're able to shower anytime you want. You don't need to carry any towel, you just have to carry your suitcase. And then also this as well has a very beautiful balcony, and also you have a lake view over there. You have the lake view, you have the garden view. So if you feel like you just want to stand outside there or grab a chair and sit outside here, this is a perfect place for you to relax. And it's just cool, like you guys see the wind, that is like a very nice breeze, like you just feel it, you just feel it. So this is the third bedroom upstairs. So come along and I'll show you the next one. So back to the hallway, this is the master bedroom. When I say master, I mean it's massive, it's really spacious, it's really giving, you know, a master. So this is a king size bed, and it is so spacious over here. You can use the space for whatever you want to. And the master bedroom opens up to a balcony as well, which is way bigger than any other balcony we have in the house. So the master bedroom has a wide balcony. You can sit here, sip your drinks, move around, stand here and enjoy your lake view and everything that is surrounding in this place. Now, back to the master bedroom. We have this gym equipment. If you're someone who likes to work out, feel free to use it. And then here we have the mosquito repellent, and also we have the mosquito net in case you want to use that. And then, yes, we have a very large space over here. I like the master bedroom because of this. This is a closet. All this entire area is a closet. So if your mommy and daddy, mommy can use this part of the closet, you know, because it's so big and spacious. We have towels for you over here that you can use anytime you feel like. And then this side, you can use this as a storage for anything that you want. Maybe shoes, you can put your shoes over here and just lock it very well. And then this other side of the closet, it can be a his closet, and it's pretty much the same setup as the other side. You can dress up from here, store your clothing and everything right here. You see, it's so massive. And then the master bedroom has a toilet and shower attached to it. So this is the shower. The shower if you want to, and then we have a toilet over here for you, and then you have your sink here with flowing water, and for shavers you can use this space for shaving. And then we have a bathtub. So if you want to use the bathtub, you want to have a romantic date night whatsoever, this is all for you. Then let me show you another part of the house. So we have seen the master bedroom. We have what we call a bar area, or like a chilling spot in this house. Now that we have seen all the 5 bedrooms, so let me take you there. So for this, we are going upstairs again, up the stairs. So by the way, we have solar backup that can sustain you when there is a power blocker, blackout, whatever. We have a solar backup system. So this is what we call a bar area specifically, but okay, the idea is to put a mini bar or like a space where our guests can come here and just sit and relax and maybe sip their drinks. So the bar area, when you enter, it has like a toilet here. So you don't have to go downstairs again to use the toilet. So there is a toilet here.
Is this what you call the mini?
The
Mini bathroom? Or?
yes, this is the toilet. Basically, it's just a toilet. Yes, but it's designed so that you don't have to go downstairs again to ease yourself. And then we have a fridge over here. Maybe with time we shall add in a couple of things over here to make it look like realistically a bar, as we call it. And then we have these little chairs. You can come here and just sit, or you can just use this space for reading. If you want to be quiet, you can use this space for reading, or you can just grab this chair over here and sit here to work. Do your work from here. That is if you want to be out from the noise downstairs, or if you have kids and they're playing a lot, you can hide from them in this space. And then on the other hand, we have like this a beautiful view and also a balcony where you can just sit and have your dinner. Meanwhile, you're having a view to Lake Victoria over there, and it's just beautiful space here to sit and just relax and enjoy everything that is within the neighborhood. This space is really amazing. I love this upper space just because of the breeze and the lake view. If you love nature, this space is really going to give you everything. The view of the neighborhood, the view of hills around, and also the lake. All right, so this entire house goes for $150 a night. And if you're staying longer or if you're staying a weekly, we have crazy discounts for you. And then if you also want a car to help you move around during your stay, we do have a car that we just rent out as only $30 a day, which comes with you just have to drive yourself. But if you need a driver, we can get you a driver as well. Besides that, I mentioned that this space is not far from the Kigo Golf Course. So Kigo Golf Course is just like 5 minutes away down from the express road. And if you're someone who plays golf, you're lucky that we have the golf clubs over here for you to even use. So if you don't have a golf club and you want to go golfing, we can give that to you and you go and enjoy yourself. So that's the price. And if you want to book this space, feel free to check the video description and I'll send you both the Airbnb link and then also a phone number that you can use to directly book the space. And then also another thing is that this space is near Serena Kigo. So if you're doing a wedding in Serena Kigo, most of our clientele like are wedding people, you know, coming to get dressed, or they just want a space next to their wedding venue. We are excited to host you because Serena Kigo is basically like 3-4 minutes drive away from this space. Yes, it's just right there. Ivan's point.
Just here.
Yes, it's just here. Maybe 3 minutes drive, God knows. Yes. All right, so I am waiting to host you if you want to stay in this beautiful space, and see you.
Guys, that was the tour. I had started it alone and I hijacked her and she has given us the tour. Hopefully you've liked the space, and in case of any things you can drop them in the comment section. Reach out to me as well, and for more information I'll be linking you to Fanny. I'm out. Bye bye.
Bye bye.